Hello friends, my name is Conchita and I want you to see what are we making today. We are making some delicious champurrado. This is one of my favorite drinks that I like to make around Christmas time or New Year's. And this is what we need to make the champurrado. We need masa. What I have here is less than half a pound, but I'm not going to need the whole thing. I'm just going to use a little bit. We need this type of chocolate. There's a lot of different brands. This is the brands that are more popular. I'm using this one today because I just found it at the store and I want to try it for the very first time. And the full recipe will be under the description box below the video. If you don't want to add the condensed milk, you can use regular sugar. And we start mixing again. I am adding more chocolate to my mix because I think it needs a little bit more. It all depends on what brand are you using. And if you need to add more sugar or milk, this is the time to do it. And now it's time to prepare the masa. I have like 2.5 cups of masa here in my blender, and now I need to add some water. And this is the total amount of water that I'm using. As you can see, it's not all the way to the top. And we blend this together. And this is exactly the consistency that we're looking for. We come back to the stove and we start mixing again. We have to make sure that it's really hot before we start adding our masa. I don't like my champurrado to be very thick, so this is the total amount that I'm adding to my champurrado. If you want yours to be thicker, you can add some more masa. And here it is. This is my final product. I hope you guys like this video and I hope you do try the recipe. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Please subscribe. God bless you guys and I hope I'll see you next time. Adios. And this is how much milk I have left from a half a gallon. I want you to see this because that way you will know exactly how much milk I used for the champurrado.